You can breathe again.
No, I mean, you just have it hold him.
Oh. Lemon. Oh my God.
Let's turn you over and do your back.
I know you can breathe again.
Oh, look
You,
at
he's right up. He's so smart. Yeah, he's so smart. You know, I'm going to wash your head and it's really sore, so be careful, okay? Be careful. Yeah. So really, you know, when you take him home, the pediatrician will recommend that you don't